koutou, ko ahau. I am Ella.
And Morena, WINTON SCHOOL. Ko Caitlin, ahau. I am Caitlin. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Raumeri the 8th of Hor-ngor-nooi.
Let's get into ke tupu o te wiki. This week's word is Homai, which is Reo for pass or give.
As in, Homai he eenu māku. Pass me a drink, please.
That's Homai, which is Reo for pass or give.
Kia ora. How's news? Check the library window for who's up. Kia ora.
Ka pai. Health and safety. Bikes and scooters. Walk them, please.
All week long, we celebrate te wiki or te Reo Maori. Kia haka e Homai. Let's go, team.
Aye. We've got activities in the te whare-pukapuka at lunchtime. Get yourself to the library at 12:45 for some fabulous poi action.
There's also te meke colouring in competitions running all week.
All entries are due back to the library. Tēnā rā, this day, tēnā koutou.
Congratulations to room 12 on their pizza lunch reward yesterday. Remember, it all starts again next term.
Ka pai, more health and safety news. Hi N.E.W.S, do we need to say anything, koutou?
No, we don't. Wear them, people. Okay, it's sausage, sizzle, hot chocolate and cookie day.
Remember to walk around the gardens, line up nicely, use your manners and wait patiently while getting your kai.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Birthday news. None today at WINTON School, but in the holidays...
Our fearless leader, Mason McGregor, turns 13, as does Hunter Cottom.
Jack Hume and Alia Bunning both turn 11, while Olivia Quayle turns double digits 10.
Ella Todd and Tessa Cubitt both had their 9th birthdays, and
4 people turn 8. Sienna Hunter, Bethany Jenkins, Riley Johnson and Laura Warren.
Alex Kincaid and Joshua Short hit the lucky number 7. And last but not least,
Philip Irwin and Thea Barnes finally reached the grand old age of 6.
Rafano kia koutou. Happy birthday, everyone. Enjoy your birthdays and have fun.
And that's it for Tēnei Rā, Tēnei Wiki, me Tēnei Koutou, with from everyone here at the N.E.W.S new team, ki te anoi. See you next time.
Stay safe, have fun, and party hard, WINTON School.